Hey guys, welcome to Financial Health and Wealth, where we educate you in the various ways to improve your life financially and to live long, healthy lives. So today, we're going to talk about splurging responsibly. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, then like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know about future videos. Let's get started. We have an odd relationship with splurging. Many of us treat it like a guilty pleasure and almost take a little pride in our extravagant purchases, even seeing it as self-care. But there's also a part of us that knows we're not being wise when we senselessly spend money. So, how do we resolve that tension between having fun and making good decisions? Here are a few ideas to help you splurge responsibly. Number 1, budget in advance. Responsible splurging might seem like a contradiction, but the key to enjoying yourself once in a while and staying on track with your financial strategy is budgeting. Maintaining a budget gives you the power to see where your money is going and if you can afford to make, big last-minute frivolous purchases. And when you decide that you're going to take the plunge, a budget is your compass for how much you can spend now or if you need to wait a little longer and save a little more. Number 2, beware of impulse purchasing. The opposite of budgeting for a splurge is impulse buying. We've all been there. You're scrolling through your favorite shopping site and you see it. That thing you didn't know you always wanted. And it's on sale. Just a few clicks and it could be yours. Tempting as impulse buying might be, especially when there's a good deal, it's often better to pause and review your finances before adding those cute shoes to your cart. Check your budget, remember your goals, and then see if that purchase is something you can really afford. Number 3, do your research. Have you ever spent your hard-earned money on a dream item, even if you budgeted for it, only to have it break or malfunction in a few weeks? Even worse, it might have been something as significant as a car that you wound up trying to keep alive with thousands of dollars in maintenance and repairs. That's why research is so important. It's not a guarantee that your purchase will last longer, but it can help narrow your options and reduce the chance of you wasting your money. Responsible splurging is possible. Just make sure you're financially prepared and well-researched before making these purchases. Thanks for watching, and as always, hit the like and subscribe button to keep getting future content. Go ahead and tap that notification bell while you're at it. Enjoy the rest of your day.